Lumo stretches by the river and looks around. Morning sunlight illuminating the forest. Mira perches on a branch, singing joyfully as a gentle breeze rustles the leaves. Bran claps his paws rhythmically by the river, enjoying his friend's happiness. Tico hops happily among the flowers, showing the forest's playful energy. Orla watches from a tree branch, observing the forest and friends with wise, calm eyes. Lumo walks slowly along the riverbank, sniffing and exploring the surroundings. Mira spreads her wings, fluttering as glowing butterflies dance around her. Bran joins in the fun, clapping and bouncing with delight alongside his friends. Tico twirls and hops among flowers, dancing joyfully and energizing the forest. Lumo drums, Mira sings, Bran claps, Tico dances, and Orla harmonizes as the sunset fills the clearing. They smile and wave, saying, "See you."